Hello, I'm so happy to see you again. It's me, Muffin, one of Anya's sweeties, and the bravest and strongest muffin to ever journey across the world. Yes, I am a muffin. I have a little bit of sweet pink cream on my top, but I'm still a muffin. I like to think that my sweet pink cream makes me the sweetest of the sweetie trio, too. Anya picked me, specially from a shelf, in a grocery store. I can remember it, like it was yesterday. There I was sitting, all alone, on the sale rack. My expiration date was soon, but no one was taking me home. I knew that I was destined to be sent from the shelf if someone didn't come find me and pick me up soon. After sitting alone on the shelf, for what felt like forever, Anya came into the store. Right away, I could tell that she was different. She smiled and felt so warm and welcoming when everyone else felt cold. I couldn't believe my eyes. Anya was coming right towards me. She skipped over to me on the shelf and looked right at me. "Hello there, who are you?" she asked me. Anya smiled and pulled out her magic wand. She gave it a wave and then blew a kiss towards me. Poof, there I was, Muffin. Anya had saved me. What I remember most about that day was how much fun we had with Anya. We giggled and played the whole way home. Then, she introduced me to Cookie. She told us she had one more friend to bring to us, and that we would become her sweetie trio. And we did. There you have it. That's how I met Anya, Cookie, and later, Brownie, my best friends. My favorite thing in the whole world is science. I love to experiment and learn about why things work the way they do. I remember one day, Anya took us to outer space to explore the stars and learn about the planets. We rode in a rocket ship. I feel so lucky to spend my days with my best friends. One thing I love the most about myself is how brave and strong I am. I am confident that I can do anything I set my mind to, and my best friends help me. Together, we can do incredible things. I can climb mountains and sail the stars. I also love to read books. When I can't adventure somewhere with Anya, I love to transport myself in my imagination. With books, I can explore magical lands filled with unicorns, travel under the sea with the fish, and pick strawberries with giant dinosaurs. Sometimes, I tell Anya about the stories I read, and she waves her wand to take us there, in real life. Isn't that magical? The sweetie trio and Anya made a promise to each other to stay friends forever, and that's what we'll do. Anya promised to take us around the world and teach us everything she knows. How amazing is it that we get to bring you along with us? I am very excited.